Are you making the most of your bank? Thinking face. I thought I was doing fine, just going through the motions with my money. You know the drill: checking account, maybe a basic savings account, and hoping for the best. But I quickly realized that fine wasn't getting me closer to my big financial goals, like finally buying a house. That's when I took a hard look at my relationship with Regions Bank and made one game-changing decision. Today, I'm sharing the best Regions Bank decision that drastically improved my finances, and it might be the push you need to level up yours. Moneybag the Game Changer, the Green Print Plan, and Automated Savings. The single best financial decision I made with Regions was fully utilizing their Green Print Plan and pairing it with a specific type of savings account. I'd heard about the Green Print Plan, which is their complimentary, personalized financial checkup. Honestly, I initially thought it was just a sales pitch, but I was so wrong. I sat down with a banker, a real person, and we didn't just talk about my accounts, we talked about my dreams. The house, retirement, even my travel fund. They helped me map out a clear, actionable strategy to get there. Lightbulb the strategy: connect and automate. The Green Print Plan identified a key area for improvement: consistent, high-impact saving. This led me to my second, crucial step: opening a Life Green savings account and setting up automatic transfers. Here's why this combo was so effective. The power of the Life Green savings account: because I had a Regions checking account, I was eligible for the Life Green savings account. The killer feature? The opportunity to earn an annual savings bonus of up to $100 just for consistently making automated transfers. That's essentially free money just for saving. The magic of automation: we set up a small, automatic transfer from my checking account to the savings account right after every paycheck. I'm talking a transfer of just $10 or more, consistent and painless. I barely noticed the money leave my checking, but over time, it added up. Plus, hitting those monthly transfer minimums for the annual bonus was effortless. The Green Print Checkup: this plan also encouraged me to use the Next Step financial education resources, which helped me budget better and stay disciplined. It was like having a roadmap and a coach all in one. Chart increasing my results, from dreaming to doing. In the first year, I earned the full annual savings bonus, which was a fantastic little extra bump to my emergency fund. More importantly, the automated system and the focus from the Green Print Plan helped me save more than double what I had saved the previous year. That initial fine feeling turned into genuine financial confidence. I'm no longer just wishing for that house, I'm actively building the down payment fund, thanks to a system that works in the background. It showed me that the right banking decision isn't just about the rate, it's about the tools and structure a bank provides to help you save smarter. If you're with Regions, or even if you're not, ask yourself, are you using every tool your bank offers to actively build your wealth? Getting a personalized plan and automating my savings was the Regions decision that truly changed everything for me. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.